Hello everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. I make videos on a number of beautiful and interesting animals that are found across the world. So, if that's something you're interested in, please click the red subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel happy so that I can continue to provide interesting content for you. Thank you for taking the time to view the entire video. Animals are a part of our daily lives. Whether you have pets at home or you go to the zoo, animals have a special place in our hearts. Animals can bring joy, happiness, and a sense of peace to your life. They are also a good source of exercise. You can walk or run around with them, or they can provide you with a way to get some exercise while watching TV. There are many different kinds of animals living in the world today, and each one has a unique personality. From the smallest invertebrate to the largest mammal, animals have their own way of surviving and thriving in their environment. Many different animals live together in one habitat.